Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we're going to review the account of one of our traders, Shyam. Shyam joined our funded trader program last October on the 23rd and hit his first 10% target on the 21st of December. So just 2 months for him to hit his first 10% target. But let's have a look at the equity line so we can better understand the journey he had with us so far. So we can see it was up by almost 3% just a few days after joining our program. Then something happened and he slightly went down on his account by 2.7%. And we can see how throughout the month of November he managed to hold the balance. It was slightly up, slightly down, but we can see on average it was just holding the balance. Then something happened here on the 4th of December, and we can see how he started to get some good results on his account. See here, on the 17th of December, he was up 9.48%, so it was just there to hit his first 10% target, and then something happened. He went back to 5%, but then just a few days after he definitely recovered and hit his first 10% target again on the 21st of December. So first of all, congratulations and very well done on your first target achieved, Shyam. Now let's have a look at the statistics. An average daily return of 0.2%, monthly return of 6.19%, with a floating drawdown of 6.27%, which is good. Now, regarding the advanced statistics, let's have a look. 261 position opened, so 261 trades with a profitability rate of 80%, which is really good, a very high winning rate. An average win of 11 pips and an average loss of 35 pips. But since the outstanding profitability rate and a good number of trades of position opened, he still managed to be profitable over time. Now, let's have a look at best and worst trade. So, best trade was on the 7th of December, both in terms of pips and dollars. We can see he gained $373 with 77 pips, while the worst trade both in the month of November in terms of dollars and in terms of pips. But we mentioned earlier that November was quite a holding the balance month for him, and in fact we can see here the worst trade in terms of pips was on the 20th of November. He lost 162 pips, while on the 6th of November he lost $510. Let's have a look at the summary to see which pair, if any, he focused the most. And yes, definitely here we can see 111 position opened on the euro-yen. He gained 396 pips, resulting in $1,599 gained. A good result also here on the pound yen. He gained 392 pips with 47 trades, resulting in a winning or in a profit of $1,126. If we want to have a look, we have other positive winning positions here and there, and here we can see from the negative point of view 28 position opened on the euro New Zealand. He lost 370 pips and $925 on this pair. We can see some other negative positions here and there, but those were the very major ones. Let's have a look at the history. So let's go back to the first page when he first joined here on the 23rd of October. He was trading in the beginning at 0.1. Let's see if things change it later on. 0.1, we can see something at 0.5, some orders perhaps. Yeah, we can also see 0.01, 0.05. So it was variable, the lot size that he was choosing for his trades and for each of his positions. Okay, and here is when he hit the first 10% target, and now he's trading at the moment with a $30,000 account. Let's have a look at the average trade length. So 12 hours and 3 minutes. From the scatter plot, we can see how the vast majority of his positions were held for less than 1 day, and then we have still a few other positions held for longer, both winning positions and losing positions. But again, we mentioned about the profitability rate, so the majority of his trades are still positive. Maybe for the future, a suggestion that we can give is to cut the losing position short and to reduce them a bit, but still very well done, Shyam. Congratulations on your first target, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.